Garus kura cho le yang pa la ji po sa du just for now sun so jak ji rang go na ne nga rang ja le garus kura cho le yang pa la kawa da lung zu la a bia la shan te cho nya ri ja dong la sa zu ko ge kawa da lung zu la a bia la shan te 심 중냐리 저당라 서투포게
핸디도
가와당 룽투포가 파데 양아이 리미살라로 파야
핸디 핸디
가와당 룽투포가 파예 양아이 미살라로 파민두 양아이 미살라로 파민두.
There are good days in life and then there are bad days. But I thank God for one good day that compensates for all the bad days. Surrounded by surreal landscapes, it felt like all of my geography lessons in 10th standard were coming to life. Every traveler becomes a photographer in Ladakh, and every photograph looks like it's postcard worthy. It's like this place is made with magic. My lavender dreams came to life, and the presence of heartwarming people made this experience magical. morning guys, currently I am in Akyam. We have stopped here for breakfast and tea. I just had a cup of Maggie. So we are on our way to Pangong Lake. It seems like we still have 3.5 hours to go. Today has been pretty good. I just got to pick at least 3 stalks of lavender. I actually saw lavenders for the first time out here. I'd never seen lavenders in my entire life. I had seen videos of beautiful lavenders in Provence, France. I actually noticed it on the roadside. I asked Mr. Galshin, who happens to be the driver. He just stopped by and I'm very thankful to him. I went to pick up some lavender. He also helped me in plucking up some lavender. So all thanks to him. Whenever I see those lavenders, it will remind me of this beautiful place and I'll remember him through this way, through the lavenders I'll carry back in Sikkim. Come along and join me. Let's continue the trip. We are in Pangong Lake and we can see different colors.
Not from the same place. If we go through the way, that way we go through the lake, then we'll see different colors. Like the shades of mountains, it will change the color of lake. Yeah.
Abhi we can see like different shades of blue and red bhi dikh raha hai thoda sa.
Yes, yes.
Aquatic life support nahi karta hai na?
No.
Okay. Birds bhi dikh rahe hai bahut.
All over Ladakh में more than 350 species of birds आते हैं, migrant birds को मिला के.
Okay.
ज़्यादातर ये लेक साइड में आपको देखने को मिलेंगे.
Okay.
Like ये Pangong Lake, like Somorji Lake जाएंगे, Sokar Lake जाएंगे, वहाँ भी different species of birds देखने को मिलेंगे.
Okay. अभी हम खाने के लिए आए हैं. After that we'll eat and we'll explore. दाल भात खानु आँटेको.
the reflections of the mountain out there, some blue out here. It keeps on changing with time. What's your name?
You should tell your name.
My name is Tommy.
Manish. Yeah, get up.
And so sick.
Wow.
I'm so very nice.
Yeah. One more day. Bye bye. Going. Bye. Mommy come. Mommy, you are here. And
Okay.
कहाँ पुग्नु भयो?
Jarasa churelo मन मेरी को ना जाने जंजले नरुमयले ओ ना जाने जंजले नरुमयले ओ तिम कहीं को मकहीं को दोइटो बेला पानी रो बिरबयो नरुमयले ओ पानी रो बिरबयो नरुमयले ओ पानी रो बिरबयो नरुमयले ओ कालिवास कागज में लिख देना कागज में लिख देना चिट्ठी चा मन में बंदना नरुमयले ओ चिट्ठी चा मन में रो बंदना नरुमयले
We are now in Changla Viewpoint having our cup of coffee. It's very cold. It's a one of a kind experience. We are now returning back to Leh.
Good.
here. This much for today. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye bye, take care, see you in another one. Cheers to life.